Hey, Kevin Wilson here. Listen, I was on YouTube the other evening and I had one of my dear friends from New York to ask me about playing double stops. How do I approach playing double stops? Well, I gravitated to playing double stops after hearing a lot of country guitar players killing it. They was killing it. So I was trying to figure out what is it that they're doing. So I was able to figure out exactly how they went about playing it. And I'm going to share that with you. So here we go. So when I think about playing a double stop, the first thing I do is I'll find a triad, like an A triad, right? So instead of playing that whole triad, I find the third of the chord and the root, and I put it together. But the way that I play it, I actually pluck. So I don't get that middle string, that B string. I don't get that in there. So I'm able to move it. Okay? So a lot of times when you hear me using it is when we'll move to the 4 of the root. So we'll go from the A, we'll go to like a D. So when I hear that, I say, okay, let me jump on a double stop, okay? I'll do something like this. And then go back to the 1. I love double stops, and I hope I did something that you can use. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.